set? Good morning. Oh, jeez. I'll stand back here. Dan Leary, representatives of NEXAMP, member of the media, and of course the best workforce of New Hampshire. Good morning. And welcome to Wire Belt Company of America. I'm David Maestri. I'm the Director of Human Resources at Wire Belt, and I want to thank you all for coming this morning. Over the years, Wire Belt has been committed to an earth-friendly business practices. And so today we're delighted to introduce our 99 kilowatt roof-mounted solar PV system, which is one of the two largest solar arrays in New Hampshire. This system will offset approximately 20% of total electricity consumed each year at Wire Belt. Our first speaker is the President and Chief Operations Officer and Director of NEXAMP. He is the founder and president of NextGen Energy Solutions, which was acquired by NEXAMP in December 2007. NextGen has successfully provided turnkey integration and renewable energy systems for commercial, residential, and municipal clients in the greater Boston metropolitan area. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Dan Leary.
Well, good morning, everyone. It's awesome to see all you out here this morning. Thank you, David, especially, and Basil, who I think was responsible for the weather. This is really an incredible day. So again, thank you for having us out here, but first and foremost, thank you for putting your trust and confidence in NEXAMP to build your solar array. This is very exciting for not just Wire Belt, but for the state of New Hampshire and beyond. Wire Belt is a fantastic example of the new American industry. It's a successful manufacturing company that not only understands the importance of making a good product, but also of staying competitive. And that requires paying attention to the little things. And up until recently, energy was really something that wasn't necessarily on people's radar. But as David and the leadership here have recognized, energy is a very important little thing. And I think David's going to talk a little bit more about that. But under his leadership and under the involvement of this whole team, you've taken great strides in staying competitive by reducing your energy consumption in a lot of ways. And this solar array is just one of them. As a leading clean energy solutions company in New England, we're proud to work with Wire Belt and other businesses like yours and homeowners and governments to really help first stop and slow down the flow of energy that we use both in our homes and our businesses, but also to create clean energy from every source that's available, be it from the sun, the wind, and from below the ground. Whether it's energy efficiency measures like high efficiency lighting and geothermal systems or renewable systems like solar and wind, we're trying to meet each of our clients' needs and goals through very individual programs, much like the one that you've built here. I think David's going to mention a little bit more statistics about the solar array, but one thing that I noticed this morning, which is very interesting, is for in case you didn't really understand the anatomy of a solar array, there's 99 kilowatts of solar up on the roof, and today we have a very sunny day. Obviously, it's very close to the middle of the year, the solar sort of midpoint, which has the peak level of sunshine, and you also have a very cool day today. And because it's silicon, the cooler it is, the more energy output it's going to make. As I was leaving for the event this morning from my office, I looked at the production meter, and actually today is probably going to be, we'll keep our fingers crossed that we don't have clouds show up, but today is probably going to be the highest output day of the year for the system. And I'll tell you, I can't remember the last time we had a ribbon cutting ceremony where it wasn't cloudy and raining. So you guys must really be doing something right up here. And on that note, I just again want to thank everyone from Wire Belt and David and all the support of the leadership here that it took to put this system together. We're very proud of it, and thank you very much. And I think David will join me next.